Now we are going to start question 4 of exercise 12.1. Evaluate 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 whole upon 2 raised to minus 4. Now you can see there is different bases. So first we will convert the base same. 8 and 2. I can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. It means I can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. But here power is negative, so I can first take it positive. How I will make it positive? By taking its reciprocal. Here again the power is negative, I will take 2 up, so it will become positive, and 5 raised to 3 is already there. Now 8 I can write as 2 raised to 3, so 2 raised to 4 is already there. Upon this 8 I can write as 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. Now this is what? This is division, right? Upon means division. So 2 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 3 I can write as common base 2, and when it is divided the powers are subtracted, so I can write as 4 minus 3 into 5 raised to 3. Now 2 raised to 4 minus 3 means 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 5 raised to 3. Since it is evaluate, we'll have to write the final value. Means don't leave your answer in exponent form. We will again simplify it. 2 will remain 2. 5 raised to 3 means 5 is multiplied 3 times. That is 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Again multiply 125 by 2. You will get the answer 250. So this is our final answer. The next question is 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. 5 raised to minus 1 I can write as 1 by 5. 2 raised to minus 1 I can write as 1 by 2. And 6 raised to minus 1 I can write as 1 by 6. Just multiply numerators and the denominators. 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 6 is 60. So your answer is 1 by 60. Question is find the value of m for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. We have to find the value of m. Now we'll apply the law. When it is division and base are same, the powers are subtracted. So I can write 5 base, powers is m, and subtracted, so minus 3. And this will remain as it is equal to 5 raised to 5. Now minus will become plus, so I can write it as 5 raised to m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Now you can see this is left hand side, right hand side, and equality sign. So when the base are same on both the equality sign, both side of the equality sign, we can equate the powers. So on equating powers, since the base are same, we can equate the powers, or we can write as on equating powers, what we'll get? We'll get m plus 3 is equal to 5. When the base are same, we can equate the powers. Now whatever is remaining in the powers, that we'll write. That is m plus 3 is equal to 5. Now this is simple linear equation. If we want to find the value of m, solve. M will be 5 minus 3, that means m is equal to 2, hence our answer is 2. We'll get the value of m as 2. Next question number 6. Evaluate 1 by 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. First we'll simplify the inside bracket. 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. If I want to change the sign of the negative exponent, I will take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. 3 raised to 1 minus, same method, 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. So it will become 4 raised to power 1. And again whole raised to minus 1. Now 3 raised to 1 means 3. 4 raised to 1 means 4. So 3 minus 4 and raised to minus 1 is already there. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to minus 1, anything raised, again if it is a negative exponent, if I want to convert it, it will become 1 by 1 and negative sign is there, so it will remain minus 1. Again I am explaining, If I want to convert negative sign of minus 1, it will be reciprocal of 1 is already 1, is always 1, and negative will remain negative. Minus 1 will remain minus 1. Hence our answer is minus 1. Next question is 5 by 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to minus 4. You can see the bases are different, so I can make the base same by taking reciprocal of any one of the base. I am taking the reciprocal of this, so I can write it as 8 upon 5, and when I take the reciprocal, the sign of exponent will change. Minus 7 will change to plus 7 into the the next number I will keep as it is. Now my bases are same and multiplications of powers are added. So 8 upon 5 powers is 7 plus minus 4. Now I am writing on this side. So it will become 8 upon 5. 7 plus minus will become minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 8 upon 5 whole raised to 3. Since it is evaluate, I have to find the final value. It means 8 cube upon 5 cube. 8 into 8 into 8 will become 512. And 5 cube will become 125. So this is our final answer. Next question is simplify. First 25 into t raised to minus 4, 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 and t raised to minus 8. Where t is not equal to 0. We have to just simplify. To simplify first we will collect the same variables or same numbers together here. So here 25 and 5. I can write 25 as 5 square upon this is 5 raised to minus 3 into t raised to minus 4 into 10 I can write as 5 into 2 because I want the same base. So I have taken 10 as 5 into 2. I have taken 25 as 5 square into t raised to minus 8. Now I can take this 5 and this 5 together. First I will write 5 raised to 2 as it is into t raised to minus 4, this is t minus 4 upon this is t minus 8. Upon means division. So when division powers are subtracted, so minus 8. T raised to minus 4 minus 8 because it is in division. In division if base is same, powers are subtracted. Now remaining here is 5 raised to minus 3 into 5. Base is same and multiplication, so powers are added. There is no power means power is 1. So 5 raised to minus 3 plus 1. If I take this to base, same base, powers are added since it is multiplication. Now what is remaining? Only into 2 is remaining. This t raised to minus 8 I have taken up using the law. Now 5 raised to 2 into t raised to minus 4, minus will convert into plus 8 upon minus 3 plus 1 is 5 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 2. Now this 5 raised to minus 2, if I will take it up, or you can use the division method, base are same and divide, so powers are subtracted. So 2 minus 2 upon 2 is there, this 2 is already there, this 5 minus 2 I have used as the log into t raised to 8 minus 4 is 4. Now minus is again plus, so 2 plus 2 is 4, so it is 5 raised to 4 upon 2 into t raised to 4. Again 5 raised to 4 means 5 is multiplied 4 times, so it will become 625 upon 2 into t raised to 4. So this is our final answer. Similarly, you can solve next question number 2. So I am giving 7th question second part as homework. First I had done 7th question second part, I am giving you as homework. 7th question second, try it out. It is in the same method.